Right here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can claim a free $10,000 free funded Forex account. This is not a competition account. This is a free funded account, a challenge account that you can actually get and withdraw your money from. So from the beginning of this video, I'm going to be talking about the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profits from this platform right here on the screen. And this is the first time I am making a video about this platform, so I don't want you guys to miss out on it. Now this platform will be launching soon, and as you can see right here on the screen, it remains 28 days, 13 hours and 47 minutes and 5 seconds for them to launch. I just want you to get this account quickly so that you won't miss out when they launch. All right, so make sure you follow me right here on this screen so that I will guide you on how you can get it. But before we start, let me explain the terms and conditions for you. Like I said earlier, this is not a competition account and you can actually withdraw from it. So this is the name of the platform right here on the screen. Thank you for reaching out. We are thrilled to let you know that our official trading platform SilkProp terminal launches on September 1st with advanced premium features. As you can see now, they are going to launch on the September 1st in 2026, which is this year. Once live, you will be able to access your account and trade seamlessly. Now, what I'm going to be showing right here is for you to get the account so that you can be able to be part of them once they've launched. All right, as you can see, this is a competition account right here, but this is not the reason why we are here. And this, in case you are interested in their competition account, it's going to start on the August of 15, which is this month. All you have to do is to click on join competition. So let me just guide you on how to join their competition account, but I'm also going to be explaining how you can actually get their free challenge account for you to be able to withdraw your profits. Okay, like I said, this video is not about competition account. I'm only going to be explaining for those of you who would like to participate in it. So if you want to join the competition account, click on join competition now, and it's going to start on August 15. All right, so once you've clicked on it, let's hold on and wait for it to load. So as you can see, this is where you'll be taken to. Welcome to the ultimate trading showdown. Compete with up to $10,000 traders for $693,500 in cash and funded challenge account. So this is it. If you are interested, you can just scroll down and check some other things. And these are their rules, and these are the starting balance and the terms and conditions you have to be in order for you to be able to get it. But since this is not why we are here, let me show you how you can actually get a free challenge. And I will be entering a coupon code that you are going to be using. So make sure you pay attention. And if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, make sure you like this video and make sure that you are subscribed, because I always bring out no deposit bonuses and free funded account and free profit account that you can actually withdraw from. So now let me show you how you can actually get this free $10,000 challenge account. To get this free $10,000 challenge account, all you have to do is to click on this three line up here. Make sure you watch this video to the very end, because if you don't do so, you are going to miss your chance on getting this account. So click on challenges. Immediately you click on challenges, hold on for it to load. All right, now I'm about to show you how you can actually get the free $10,000 challenge account. So make sure you are watching it. So this is the 10K challenge account. As you can see, it is a step 2 challenge account. This is it, and the coupon code you are to enter is free 100, and as you can see, it is 100% off, which means you don't have to deposit. So immediately you've got into an interface like this. Guys, calm down, do not fast forward this video, because there are some things that I'm going to be explaining that are very important, that even if you get this account, if you don't obey them, you won't be able to withdraw your profits. So now click on apply. So immediately you click on apply. Let's wait for what's going to happen. So click on apply. All right, just hold on, guys, it is still loading. Okay, so as you can see, if you scroll down right here, this is it, a $10,000 challenge step 2 account, and it is a standard account. And as you can see, the total fee you have to pay is $0. You are not to pay any amount. So the coupon code has already been applied. The next thing for you to do is for you to scroll down and click on continue. So immediately you click on continue, you'll be taken to somewhere like this, and this is where you have to pay attention. As you can see, it is a free order without payment required. And let me show you the next thing you have to do. The next thing you have to do is for you to enter your full name, your email address, and your current phone number, and your billing email address and all other things in order for you to get this challenge account. One thing you want to make sure is that you want to make sure that every single thing that you're entering right here in this video, you have it on your phone, so that when they ask you for a code, you'll be able to give them, and also so that when they ask you to verify your NIN when you're about to withdraw, you'll be able to verify it and you'll be able to withdraw. So now as for me, I'm going to be entering my name right here and my details. So after that, click on get free challenge account. So let's hold on. As you can see, the order has been successful. Your free challenge account has been activated. This is it, and these are my trading details right here on the screen. And as you can see right now, we cannot start trading because they haven't launched yet. The next thing you have to do is for you to wait for them, and once you've waited for them already, once they've launched, all you have to do is to come to this place, enter your account number and your trading password. I am blocking it from you guys because of security purpose. Enter it and you will start trading. So in order for you to start trading, you can also click on go to trade. Go to trade, or you can click on go to dashboard. So let's try it. Go to trade. So hold on a bit. Let's just screenshot this. Let's take a screenshot of this so that I will send it to my Telegram channel. And also don't forget to use the link in the description of this video and also in the comment section to be able to go to my Telegram channel so that you have access to every other non-deposit bonuses right there. And as you can see, our trading platform will be live on September 1st. Immediately the trading platform is live, you'll be able to use your login details to log in and start trading. So this is it right here on the screen. If you want to go back home, just click on go back home. Right, go back home. And also, if you have any question about this account that you don't know about and you want to know about, make sure you comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to trade smart and be careful. This is it. Now as you can see, there are other rules about this platform. They have a friendly environment, no over prayer, consistency, no consistency rule, no minimum trading days, instant payout. So the 90% profit is available. You are going to be taking the 90%, and also you can reach out to their customer care at any time. So these are the things I want you to know about this account. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you. Don't forget to like this video. Bye.